Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing and installation of TP-Link AC750 Dual Band Wireless Cable Router. The price of the router varies from where you buy. I purchased it from Act Fibernet app for 2k rupees. You can also buy it from Amazon. As of now, it is 1.6k rupees. This router is ideal for everyone for office use and casual streaming. It also has features such as parental control, IPv6, VPS button, and guest network. You can get up to 300 Mbps for 2.4 GHz and 433 Mbps for 5 GHz. This router has good range, so if you have a duplex house, you still can get Wi-Fi range. The maximum range is 450 square feet. Now let's unbox the router. Inside the box, you get the router, a user guide, an RJ45 Ethernet cable, and the power cord. Here is the router. The router has power port, on-off button, reset option, VPS, WAN option, and 4 LAN connection. Here is the front view of the router. You can see nice glossy effect in it. Here is the back view. Here is the side view. The antenna is adjustable, so if you are keeping the router on table, keep it straight. There is also an option for wall mounting. If you are doing wall mounting, then keep it as slant mode. So I am going to do wall mounting. First, check the distance, how much you need for the router. Then you can place it correctly. For the connection, I am using the router mode because I already have Ethernet cable for my PC. So I will use my Ethernet for WAN option, and using the RJ45 cable, I will connect it to my PC. And lastly, connecting the power cord to the router. Here is the instruction for LED lights. The first one is the power symbol. Second and third is the Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz symbol. Fourth one is VPS lock symbol. Fifth one is Ethernet symbol, and the sixth one is internet symbol. If it is in yellow color, your internet is not working. If it is in green color, it is working. When you turn on the router, the power symbol blinks 3 times and wait until the internet symbol turns green color. Now you can connect your phone or PC using the Wi-Fi. The password for your Wi-Fi will be given on the back side of the router. Now to set up the router, you can use mobile app, TP-Link, or use the PC to set up. Now go to browser and type tplinkwifi.net. So now you can enter the password. If you don't know the password, you can reset. Since I already made my password, I will log in now. In wireless, you can change your username and password, and also you can limit how many devices can connect. Once you have done, save and close it. Now you can check the speed of the internet. My internet speed is 40 Mbps. So the download speed is 38 Mbps and the upload speed is 37 Mbps. Now let's check the speed in the phone. As you can see that download speed is 37 Mbps and upload speed is 39 Mbps. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe.